Alright, it's Valentine's Day at 2:45 in the morning, Santa Clara, California. I was sitting here writing a paper, and suddenly I heard that kind of strange, bizarre sound go off. I've heard it several times over the last couple weeks. Even put a paper, posted a thread on it on ATS, but it rained, so I didn't get to record it. So right now, it is clear. Actually, it's not clear. It's not raining any longer. Moon out that way, kind of southeast. Sounds kind of like it's coming from up this way, but it's kind of an all-encompassing sound. There's almost a resonance to it. It'll be kind of hum and then wow, kind of echo like a resonance. I'll just be quiet for a while so you can hear it. So you occasionally hear a car go by. It's definitely not traffic sounds. San Jose Airport is nearby, but I haven't heard any planes take off. They're louder than this sound. Alright, so hopefully you can hear that. It sounds a little bit like a combination of a low jet engine rumble and kind of a resonating higher than lower frequency, and it's continuous. It is absolutely non-stop. Last time it happened, it was about for 3 days, and it started raining, so I couldn't hear it anymore. This started up, I think it was about 2:42 in the morning. February 14th, 2012. Don't know what it is. Thanks.